Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install SSL certificate in your WordPress website using SiteGround. Now what is SSL and why you need one? Well, SSL is a cryptography protocol and there are many other protocols like TLS I think, but SSL is the most popular one. Why you need SSL in the first place? Well, SSL will allow you to protect all the data that goes in your website and comes back. So it will sort of act like a firewall or a barrier. So that's essentially what SSL is. And if you are having a website that accepts clients' information, like let's say a contact form, if you have a contact form, or if you're creating e-commerce website, then SSL is crucial. Otherwise, I mean, you can't do it. Yeah, so you have to SSL. And the good thing about SiteGround is they offer for free, so you don't have to pay anything for SSL certificates. So I'll show you now how to install SSL in this website. First of all, how to check if a website has SSL certificates. One way to check is by looking at this first part. So as you can see, we've got this warning over here that says not secure. So this should be your first point. So it says that connection to the site is not secure. And okay, so as you can see, the certificate is invalid. So this means that this website does not have SSL. So also as you can see that any information that you provide, so let's say password, credit cards, and anything like that, can be stolen. Yeah, from your attackers. The second way to test if a website has SSL certificate is by clicking at your URL bar over here and by looking at if there has the S bit at the end. So in this case, it doesn't have the S bit. Well, it has, but it is strike through. It has a strike through mark. So it is like this, in other words. So if it has an S, that means secure. If it doesn't, that means it's not secure. So these are the two ways to check if a website has SSL. So let's try to install SSL in this website. For this, I'm going to go to my SiteGround account. So as you can see, this is the website that I want to install SSL on. So I'm going to click on Site Tool. And from here, I'll let it load. Okay, from here, I'm going to go to Security, SSL Manager, and select my domain name, which will be chosen by default. So you can see I've got just one. Select SSL. And over here, you have three different SSL certificates. So you have Let's Encrypt, Wildcard, and Premium Wildcard. But these three do the same thing, so there is no much difference. So I use Let's Encrypt in all of my website. Yeah. So go for this, Let's Encrypt, click on Get, and it should take a little bit time. And we have installed our certificate. So if you go back to our website, sometime it will take a couple of hours, guys, before it is properly installed. By the time it will take you just it's a matter of a few minutes. So if I just refresh and let's hope that it has installed. So if I go back to this warning over here, as you can see on certificate, we got the valid thing over here. So this means that this website has got SSL, even though it is not showing up. Yeah. So as you can see here, it says not secure. And my URL over here also says that it doesn't have the HTTPS bit at the end. For this, we have to tell our browser to show the secured version instead of this not secure. And in order to do this, we have to go to our site tools and use the HTTPS enforce, which you can find on the next tab. So HTTPS enforce, click on it, and you just enable it. And there you go. So now you have the S bit at the end, which will not show up instantly. If I just refresh it, as you can see, it will not show up. It will take a little bit of time, so about a couple of hours. But now your website is secure and there is SSL certificate installed. So in about a couple of hours, you'll see the padlock over here. Yeah. So something like this. I'll just show you. As you can see like that. Yeah. So everything will be properly smooth. And this is free, guys. This is free using SiteGround as a hosting. So that's a great thing, guys. So definitely make sure to check out SiteGround. I'm not sponsored, I'm not affiliated. And anyway, so that's the hosting that I use, guys. Yeah. And guys, that's all for this video, guys. I hope you like it, found it interesting, guys. Leave a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any question, and subscribe to my channel, most importantly, guys. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.